Nothing Ear One is steadily becoming a popular choice for wireless headphones, and many want to know how they can pair it with their iPhone or iPad. In this video, we will show you how to pair and set up Nothing Ear One earbuds with iPhone. This way will also work for iPad too, as they have the same interface. Now before you start the process, make sure your iPhone's Bluetooth is turned on. Now to pair Nothing Ear One earbuds with iPhone, you need to get the Nothing Ear One app from the App Store. After installing the app, open the app. Now tap Start. You can join their program or skip it. Now open the charging case. Tap Continue. Tap OK. You will see the Nothing Ear One earbuds. Tap on it. Tap Go to Settings. Tap Bluetooth. Tap Nothing Ear One. And it will be connected. Now go back to the Nothing Ear One app. Tap Continue. Tap Start. And your Nothing Ear One earbuds will be connected to your iPhone. From here, you will be able to see how much charge is in both earbuds and in the case. You can control the earbuds hearing. Tap here. You can select noise cancellation mode, transparency mode, or turn it off if you wish. Also from here, you can check out the touch controls of your Nothing Ear One earbuds. Tap touch. Now you can see what will happen and how to control the touch for both left ear and right ear. If you want, you can change the touch controls too. So guys, this is the way you can easily connect and use Nothing Ear One earbuds with iPhone and iPad. That's it for now. If you have any query regarding the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.